Welcome to the channel. I hope you're doing well. If you are new here, hit subscribe. Now let's get straight into the video. If you're checking out this video, you're obviously curious to know about Marathon Patent Group and exactly what they do, or exactly the price range and where it could go to. So as you can see on screen right now, Marathon Digital Holdings is currently up at 28.54, an 18.97% increase over the last day. Marathon Digital Holdings is one of the biggest Bitcoin mining companies that exists in the world. They have massive facilities across the United States, and as a result of this, they're facilitating a massive production of Bitcoin every single month. So why the increase? Why did it go up so high in the last day? And this is a result of multiple factors. The first one being Bitcoin's price. As you can see on screen just now, Bitcoin's price crossed over $53,000 in the last day, and this in itself is driving the momentum of Marathon's price. As you can see on screen as well, Marathon Digital Holdings is going to be going and releasing their earnings on Wednesday, February the 28th. Now this here could be crucial towards Marathon's trajectory for the next couple of months. Obviously they mine Bitcoin, therefore they have costs with mining Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's price has been going up, and as a result of that, Marathon's whole business strategy is based off the back of Bitcoin going up in price, because they hold more Bitcoin, and as long as the Bitcoin they're producing outweighs the energy they're pushing out to mine the Bitcoin, then they're going to be profitable. Marathon Digital Holdings also released Slipstream, and Slipstream is going to revolutionize the way the Bitcoin ecosystem works, because they're going to help support additional transactions on the network. As you can also see on the screen right now, Marathon Digital Holdings, as of January 31st, holded 15,741 unregistered Bitcoin, and they also have a substantial cash portion at the moment at the end of 2023. And Marathon opted not to sell any Bitcoin in January, and instead purchased an additional 183.5 Bitcoin at an average price of $39,738 each. Now that in itself says to me that Marathon is gearing up for the bull market, because they know that all of the Bitcoin they've mined in the last year or two and the Bitcoin they purchased here is going to go up in value, and therefore make the company worth more money. So as you can see by the analysis that's on screen and what we've talked about, there's definitely potential here for Marathon to go up in price even more as a result of their increased hash rate, as a result of the facilities they have, as a result of Bitcoin going up in price, and as a result of the substantial Bitcoin that they hold as well. So taking all these factors into consideration, do your own research. If you're interested in buying some Marathon Digital Holdings, go and check it out. Obviously this isn't financial advice, and I'll see you guys in the next